Good morning. Welcome to the Foreigner in the Philippines. We're going to deliver the cylinder and also the cooker for Nisa. And here's also the kids walking, going to school. And that's Terence there bringing that. So again, Ma'am Tita, thank you very much for your gift to Nisa. It's a huge help so that it's easy cooking, you know. So thank you very much. Balulot, say thank you, Balulot.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it's a little far walking. Here is Balulot, Jana, Taliklik, Bibi in the far ahead, ako and Marmar bringing the cooker. So today we go after we bring that to Nisa, we bring her also to the hospital for another lab test, and Mananglina for check-up also. So it's a long day, but it's needed to do. All morning, look, the cloud is not very
Get in front of me.
heavy now.
Go in front.
So how are you? Heavy or not? We can stop. And it's very heavy. Balulot can help you. Takes of bringing that.
What?
This is what it takes of bringing. It's very heavy. I can take that.
Which one? Which shoulder?
Yeah. Yeah, Balulot is trying to help because they're halfway parents, then halfway Balulot. Lord, hunong lang Lord, og bugat na. How many kilo that han?
I'm really not sure, but I think it's about 30.
30 kilos? Oh my gosh, that's why I can carry that. Yeah, that's how it takes.
Yeah, probably. I'll carry it now.
Lot, siya na pud ko no Lot, kay bugat kay na Lot. Yeah, it's Terence now. Oh my God. Han, you're not Superman. Or nor Batman. You're just an ordinary man. Oh my God.